Good day everyone, today we're gonna do a basic troubleshooting, and the customer states that check engine light is on while driving. So I hook up computer and scan it, found a trouble code, and I print it, and I'm gonna show you what is this right here. So what I found is the trouble code was a P2565 or turbocharger boost control position, but this is one is supercharged, guys. So yeah, this one is supercharged, and that one triggers the check engine light 100%. Okay, so what I did is I test every single pins. So here, like pin 3, this wiring from engine control harness, and I check it from here. It's all it's all good, and good thing that the harness or the pins from control ECU for engine control ECU was good. From here up to from here to engine ECU, it's all good. Up to here in our control position sensor, here it's all good. But I'm gonna show you one pin that just to make sure that you're gonna see that the wiring harness was good. So from control module, and this is the control position sensor. Let's see. I'm gonna tap here, and we had a good continuity. So all of the pins here is good. I tested it already. As you can see, I check it. Pin 1 to 6, and this is gonna be replaced. So yeah, that sensor is responsible for triggering the check engine light.